Would you believe it if I told you that every cleaning product on store shelves has a DIY natural version you can make at home for 80 to 90% less money, using ingredients available everywhere, that performs comparably or better on most cleaning challenges? What if I gave you 8 complete recipes with exact measurements that replace your entire cleaning cabinet immediately? I've been making all my cleaning products at home for a long time, and the financial savings combined with better results have made returning to store brands genuinely unthinkable. Stay with me to the end of the video, because these recipes will transform your cleaning routine permanently. Here's the frustration I experienced when first trying to make my own cleaning products. Vague proportions. Missing important details about why specific ingredients worked. I spent 3 months developing and refining these recipes through systematic testing in my own home. What I'm sharing today represents the final, refined versions that have replaced every commercial product in my home for 6 months of consistent, successful use. Recipe number 1. All-Purpose Surface Cleaner. This replaces kitchen spray, bathroom spray, general surface cleaner. Ingredients: 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, 15 drops tea tree essential oil, 10 drops lemon essential oil. Mix in spray bottle. The vinegar provides cleaning and mild disinfection. Tea tree adds antimicrobial properties. Lemon provides fresh scent and additional degreasing. Cost per bottle, approximately 25 cents. Recipe number 2. Heavy-duty kitchen degreaser. This replaces commercial kitchen degreasers. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons dish soap, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 10 drops orange essential oil. Mix gently to avoid excessive bubbling. Apply to greasy surfaces. Wait 5 minutes. Wipe clean. Recipe 3. Glass and mirror cleaner. This replaces commercial glass cleaners. Ingredients: 2 cups water, ½ cup white vinegar, ¼ cup rubbing alcohol, 70%. Mix in spray bottle. The alcohol ensures streak-free evaporation while vinegar provides cleaning action. Cost per bottle, approximately 10 cents. Recipe number 4. Bathroom scrub. This replaces abrasive bathroom cleaners. Ingredients: 1 cup baking soda, ¼ cup liquid castile soap, 10 drops tea tree oil, 5 drops eucalyptus oil. Mix into paste consistency. Apply to surfaces, scrub, rinse. For toilet bowls, add ½ cup to bowl, let sit 15 minutes, scrub, flush. Cost per batch, approximately 15 cents. Recipe number 5. Floor cleaner. This replaces commercial floor cleaners for hard floors. Ingredients: 1 gallon warm water, ½ cup white vinegar, 5 drops dish soap, 10 drops preferred essential oil. Mop with barely damp mop, never soaking wet. Leaves floors clean without residue that attracts new dirt. Recipe number 6. Laundry pre-treatment spray. This replaces commercial stain removers. Ingredients: ½ cup hydrogen peroxide, ¼ cup dish soap, ¼ cup baking soda dissolved in warm water. Mix in spray bottle. Apply to stains immediately, let sit 10 to 15 minutes before washing. Works on grass, food, sweat, and most organic stains. Recipe number 7. Fabric softener. This replaces commercial fabric softeners. Ingredients: white vinegar used directly, ½ cup per laundry load. Vinegar removes detergent residue causing fabric stiffness. Recipe number 8. Disinfectant spray. This replaces commercial disinfectant sprays. Ingredients: 1 cup water, ¼ cup rubbing alcohol, 70%, 10 drops tea tree oil, 10 drops lavender oil. Mix in spray bottle. The 70% alcohol provides genuine disinfection through protein denaturation of bacterial cells. Monthly ongoing cost, approximately $80. My previous monthly commercial product spending, approximately $40. Annual savings, approximately $320 to $350. If these recipes just replaced your entire cleaning cabinet affordably, smash that like button. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notification bell for more complete DIY household recipes. Share with anyone ready to stop overpaying for cleaning products. Comment which recipe you're making first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, make your own, know your ingredients, and keep hundreds of dollars that commercial cleaning product marketing has been taking from you.